If you use Evernote and you want a simple system for keeping track of your to-dos, this video is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote for task management, so you can create a project note, turn ideas into action items, add useful task details, and keep everything organized in one central place. This is great for personal productivity, work projects, content planning, client tasks, and any workflow where you want less clutter and more control. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click the plus new note button at the top. This is where your task management system starts. Instead of scattering your to-dos across different apps, chats, or sticky notes, you can build one clean project note that holds everything in one place. Now give your note a clear, specific title. Something like Website Redesign Q3 or Monthly Marketing Tasks works much better than a vague title because it tells you exactly what the note is for. A strong title makes it easier to find later and helps you stay focused on one project at a time. Next, click inside the body of the note. This is where you'll begin adding tasks and action items. Evernote gives you a few quick ways to create a task. On Windows, you can press Alt+T. On Mac, you can press Command+T. You can also type /task directly in the note to create a new task block. Once the task appears, type your action item, keep it short, clear, and actionable. For example, instead of writing something vague like update website, write draft new landing page copy or review homepage, hero section. The more specific your task is, the easier it is to actually complete it. Now let's make that task even more useful by adding details. Hover over the task you just created, and you'll see a few options. First, click the flag icon to set priority. If the task is urgent or highly important, choose red. If it's medium priority, use yellow. If it's lower priority, use green. This is a really helpful visual system because it lets you scan your list quickly and see what needs attention first. After that, click the calendar icon to assign a due date. Due dates are important because they turn a loose task into a real deadline. That helps you plan your week better and stops important work from slipping through the cracks. Then click the bell icon if you want to set a reminder or notification. This is especially useful for tasks you need to revisit later, follow up on, or complete at a specific time. Instead of relying on memory, Evernote can remind you automatically so you stay on track. At this point, you've already created a much more organized task setup inside a single note. But Evernote also has a central task view, and this is where the system gets even better. Look at the left sidebar again and click Tasks. This opens a master list of all your to-dos across every note in your account. That means you do not have to open each note one by one to see what needs to be done. You can review everything in one place, which is a huge time saver if you're managing multiple projects or juggling a busy schedule. Use this central view to check deadlines, scan priorities, and stay on top of your workload. It's especially useful for daily planning because you can quickly decide what to work on first, what can wait, and what needs a reminder. A great way to use this system is to create one project note per topic or goal. For example, one note for content planning, one for client work, one for home tasks, and one for a big project like a website launch. Inside each note, add tasks as you think of them, then use flags, due dates, and reminders to keep everything moving. That way, Evernote becomes more than just a note-taking app. It becomes your lightweight task manager. The key is consistency. If you capture tasks as soon as they come up, give them a clear title, and use the built-in priority and reminder tools, you'll spend less time trying to remember what to do and more time actually getting things done. And that's the full workflow for using Evernote for task management. You now know how to create a project note, add tasks, organize them with details, and review everything from the central task view. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.